Yeah, sure. Now, these are the topics we are going to cover in this masterclass course. And uh, now, yeah, there is a closing and a call action for you. That is at the Gayu IAS and Tech powered by Lare Cloud Solutions. We don't just teach, we build the tech leaders of tomorrow. Remember, data is the new oil, and data engineers are the one who refine it. In today's AI-driven automated analytics powered world, data engineering is just a job, it is a superpower. With soaring global demand, top tier salaries, and opportunities across every major industry, this career path offers unmatched security and growth. Start by mastering the most in demand foundational skills, Python and SQL, and fast track your journey into cloud platforms, big data ecosystems, and real world data pipelines. Be the brain behind AI innovations. Power smarter businesses lead the data revolution. Your future begins with Gayu Tech, where learning meets opportunities and skills leads to success. Here, the exciting news. Our new batch starts on June 1st. We are offering a special discount of 2000 for the first 20 students enrolling out of the regular 20,000 fee. Don't miss your chance to launch a career that transforms your future. Ready to join us? Let's make it happen together. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.